Introducing the new evolution in residential downspout and water drainage. Revolutionize outdoor home maintenance with TurnSpout. A downspout connector that can easily swivel to direct your lower downspout out of the way, making landscaping, lawn work, water drainage, and residential contracting easier and faster. TurnSpout is quick to install. With a 360-degree elbow joint design, TurnSpout swings or lifts up to 25 degrees smoothly and easily using your hand or foot. Simply swivel TurnSpout out of harm's way and lock it in place with the advanced friction fit positioning and tightening system. TurnSpout integrates seamlessly with most downspout systems and comes in a variety of colors to match any exterior decor. Finally, a downspout connector that actually improves your workflow, maximizes project efficiency, manages drain flow, and prevents damage to equipment and drainage systems. TurnSpout eliminates the common frustration and aggravation of downspout obstruction. Revolutionize property maintenance and residential construction with TurnSpout. TurnSpout is easy to install and use on a daily basis. Step 1. Unscrew and remove your existing lower curved downspout. Step 2. Slide TurnSpout over the bottom of your upper downspout opening. Make sure it's evenly positioned for a secure fit. Step 3. Now grab your drill. Drill 4 1/8-inch holes into the holes on your downspout and fasten it to your existing downspout with the self-tapping screws. Step 4. Slide your lower curved downspout over the bottom opening of TurnSpout. Again, make sure all sides are even for a secure fit. Step 5. Grab your drill again, and this time, drill 4 1/8-inch holes through the existing hole in your lower downspout and into TurnSpout. Fasten them together with the remaining self-tapping screws. That's it! Your new TurnSpout is now fully attached and ready for use. Simply tighten or loosen the friction fit screw system as needed to raise it up and down or to swing it out of your way easily. TurnSpout, revolutionizing home downspout